Last snowfall we had to amount to something to slow things down was on January 16th of 2022 when we got about 2 inches or so. Well, fast forward, it is January 31st of 2026. Last week we had a winter event that was all sleet and ice covering the ground. It wasn't that much, but it has barely been above freezing for over a week now. Most of that ice is still underneath all of this, but it's been hard to walk around without falling. They have been predicting this for about 4 days now, and it started snowing heavy this morning and has continued throughout the day. There is about 6 inches or so on the ground now. It's about 17 degrees, and that's going to be about the high today. Later, when this tapers off tonight, we'll likely go down into the single digits. This is going to also be around for the next 3 or 4 days, as the temperature is not going to be above freezing for the next 3 days. On TV, they're talking about a bunch of wrecks. I don't go out in it. It's not worth getting your vehicle torn up by some idiot that can't drive when there is no snow on the road. I have a 93 Dodge Dakota LE, so that isn't exactly what you want to try to drive on snow and ice. Now, I've always liked snow events, especially the ones over 4 inches. It slows everything down a few days, gives it a break from the routine, reminds us that there's things we have no power over, and who does? And it puts a thumb on the idiots that have to be first. You know, that idiot that just blows close around you just to be another car length ahead of you that you see at the next 4 stoplights. Yeah, that Johnson. Or should I call him Dick? No, I'll be nice and call him Johnson. I'll check back in after dark. It's about 11 p.m. and it is indeed still snowing, although not as heavy as earlier today. The forecast is for this to taper off after a while, and depending on where you stand at, there's probably a maximum of 8 inches or so on the ground. This is an almost baby powder snow that blew around. When you have it on your hand, it melts and dries quickly. It's still cold, around 20 degrees or so. If you look at this bird bath mushroom, you can get an idea of the amount on the ground. That's probably about 8 inches there, but I can see some areas of drift where I know it's around 10 inches. Like I said, a blowing snow, as you can see our porch is covered, blanketed over. You can't see the bottom step of our front porch, and that's at least 8 inches, and it's almost to the bottom of that garden flag there. Now, this will be ending in a bit with a low tonight of about 10 degrees, so I'm fairly sure it'll be here in the morning, and it won't be anywhere near freezing tomorrow, so all this will still be here tomorrow night and the next day, Monday. I'll pick up tomorrow and get out in it, measure some depths, and we'll take a look around. It's the next day, Sunday, February 1st, 2026. It is 4 p.m. The temperature is 32 degrees. The weather service says we got over a foot of snow in Thomasville. May be true in some spots. I don't think we have quite that much in my yard here, but there are certainly plenty. I have not been out today yet because it's been very cold and windy all day today. I need to take out the garbage either way though. This is a very fluffy, powdery snow. Your foot goes down in it fast, like feathers almost. I can see how drifted the snow is. Probably varies 2 or 3 inches depending on where you stand. That's probably about 10 inches right there around that garden flag. We got Old Glory up and flying today. Looks like the birds have still been playing in the bird bath here, I think. No liquid refreshment though, or showers being served today though. Like walking in a bag of flour. Real soft, light snow. The old Dodge Ram's covered over, but standing by if we need her. You can see how the snow drifted beside of it there. Big old drift mound on the garbage toter here. That's probably about 10 inches, I would say. I couldn't find my yardstick, but this will give me a good idea of what we got here. This is a 7-inch roller, one of my foot tracks here, and about 6.5 inches. An example of how this varies, over here in the driveway I measure about 4.5 inches. Then over here I measure 6.25 inches. My footprint here is more than the roller, probably about 8 inches here. There is the mushroom bird bath from last night. That's probably a good 10-inch cake on that platter there. Cake. Winter Wonderland, January 31st and February 1st of 2026. This started yesterday afternoon. We went through up till about 12 p.m. last night and it tapered off. We got between 6 and 10 inches on the ground here, depending on where you stand at. Fluffy white snow on the ground. I'm Allen Cox. Everyone be safe and careful out there. There's been some deaths across the South with this weather. Just slow down, take the damn day off. You can go back to getting it another day. It's not worth wrecking your car, hurting someone else, or some Johnson running into you. Until the next time, I wish you and yours many blessings from my house to yours.